Hi, I'm Wilf, and I wonder, how are labyrinths made? A labyrinth is a special type of maze which has one line going throughout. This is known as a unicursal maze, which uni meaning one, and curse meaning course. So there is one continuous line or course throughout the entire thing. You can start by making them by drawing any one of these. I know they look quite complicated, but you can just start with this one. Any of these seeds are called to make the labyrinths. And what you want to do, you're going to connect all the dots with curvy lines. Here's how you make the simplest one. You use the middle in the line and connect it to the dot next door. Then you go to the dot on the left and connect it to the next line on the right. Then you keep going left and keep connecting them to the ones on the right until you've finished all of them. So, first I'm going to draw my seed here. Badly drawn, but still. And I'm actually going to make it a bit more complicated. So now I'm going to start up here, and I'm going to make it so mine, you go in and then you come out on the same path that you went in. So that means I'm just going to do a one curve, and I'm going to bring the one over here, connect to the next, and I'm going to do that again from this one, and do it again from this one. I'm going to do it again from this one. Then, believe it or not, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to do it again from this one. Then, I'm going to do it again, getting quite repetitive. Then I'm going to do it one final time. And that makes what looks mainly like a brain. So now I'm going to make another one where it goes in and then out on one continuous line instead of going in and then using the same line to get out. So I'm just gonna another not very well drawn seed. Boop, boop, boop. And then to make it continuous, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this, then I'm going to skip one of the lines. That means this is a curve, which will later be relevant. So then, other than that, I do it exactly as normal. Yeah, it's a bit wobbly. Now, as you can see, now there is two exits. There is one here and one here, which I'm just going to make prominent. So yeah, there's two there. So now you go in one. I'm just going to trace the path because I don't actually know exactly where it goes. Then you're going to come out from the center, go all the way around, and come out the other. And now you know what a labyrinth is, which is similar to a maze, but it's one continuous line. It doesn't have any branching paths coming off of it, which makes it unicursal.